YouTube, what it do, man? We back with another video. And look, man, today I'm gonna get y'all a little highway POV action, man. So y'all know how to do my POV, man. I don't do too much talking. I'm gonna just let y'all hit the car, like always. I'm gonna let y'all hit the car, and that's it. Let's dive into it, y'all. I'm telling you, if you ain't merging on the highway like this, I don't know what you're doing. If you ain't merging on that bit like that, if you ain't merging on the highway like that, man, you tripping. But yeah, man, y'all just sit back and enjoy the little highway POV. We ain't gonna go too crazy, man. We on a bumpy highway. So y'all just sit back and enjoy the POV. Man, this highway so bumpy, man. Y'all just bear with me if the camera shaking. And I'm thinking about going louder, man. I don't know. I'm thinking about it going loud on the car. Still trying to see what I want to do. I got the mid mufflers cut off right now, so y'all just stay tuned for that, because we for sure going louder. We for sure is doing that. Because I like how it sounds now. I just wanted a little bit more louder. Just a tad bit. You know. I don't know if I want to go headers. You know, I don't want to know if I want to just cut the resonators off and just have a mid-muffler and resonator delete. I don't know. Y'all drop in the comments and let me know what should I do. Because I'm thinking about just probably cutting the resonators, but then again, I don't know. I want to go headers. So y'all just let me know what should I do or what it sound best on the Scat, man. So I'm still on the fence. I'm still trying to research and see what I want to do. So y'all just let me know. Just a smooth, calm little POV on a good Sunday. Y'all listen to that thing talk. Ooh. Gotta work them powder filters now. And we is in sport, by the way. We go sport. Let me let y'all hit this tunnel, man. Smooth little POV, man. If y'all watching this video, let me know y'all top speed, man. Let me know y'all top speed in y'all Scat, RT, V6. It don't matter. Nissan. Let me know y'all top speed, man. See if y'all be getting active for real. Let me know y'all top speed. So drop your drop it in the comments below. I'm telling you, man, if you on the fence trying to see if you want to scat, bro, like I said in my other video, man, go ahead and get it. I had somebody in my comments said they trying to get a 2018 scat, bro. If you watching this video, go ahead and get it, my guy. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. You won't regret it. I'm telling you, you're going to love the fuck out this car. You won't regret it. So if you watching this video, my boy, go ahead and get that scat. I'm telling you. Only downfall I say about this car, man, the police. The police, that's the only bad thing I gotta say about this car, man. The police will be on your ass. But as long as you chilling, man, they shouldn't. But, man, it's on them. But yeah, man, like I was saying, man, I just had to hit up under that tunnel, bro. Them tunnel pulls be crazy. But yeah, man, like I said, man, you want you a scat, get it, bro. You know, it ain't even gotta be a scat. Like I said in my other video, man, if you trying to get you a whip that you looking at, Mustang, Camaro, get it, bro. I'm telling you, get it, bro. But yeah, like I was saying about that police situation, man, I just got pulled over for a weak ass tent ticket, man. That's just the little shit right there that the police be want to fuck with you about, man. A tent ticket, bro. Like, come on, man. Come on, man. They just like to pick with these cars, bro. I don't know why. See, state trooper right there. Let me chill out. Cause them boys ain't finna get me. State trooper right there. Look at this dumbass nigga, bro. Yo, like I said, I just seen that state trooper. I had to slow my roll, man. I had to chill out. Them boys will find anything to get you for. But besides that, man, it caught fun, bro. Y'all just stay tuned. I got more content on the way, bro. This just a little small, quick little POV, man. You know, just a quick little, smooth little POV. We ain't go too crazy. Had to come to y'all with a little highway action. You know, a little highway action. But yeah, man, y'all like these videos, man, y'all just make sure y'all stay tuned and keep rocking with your boy, man. But besides that, I'm gonna let y'all go ahead for today. We gone.